Thought of the day: the greatest mistake is not making a mistake, but living in fear of making one. 1. The ISSF World Cup, rifle, pistol, shotgun, was held in Hangzhou, China. India's Escher won the gold medal in the pistol event, while Manu Bahakar secured the bronze in the same category. Escher had previously set a world record at the Munich World Cup. 2. 130 cities across 24 states in the country have been grappling with severe air pollution for the past 5 years. These cities have failed to meet established air quality standards. To curb pollution in these cities, the central government has released funds exceeding 16,423 crore rupees under the National Clean Air Program. 3. The government introduced the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Amendment Bill 2026 in the Rajya Sabha. Its objective is to extend the same legal protection to the national song, Vande Mataram, that is currently accorded to the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Anyone who intentionally disrupts the singing of Vande Mataram could face up to 3 years in prison or a fine. 4. The Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC, has extended the Atal Bimit Vyakti Kalyan Yojana until June 30, 2027. Under this scheme, if an ISI-covered employee becomes unemployed, they receive 50% of their wages as unemployment relief for a maximum of 90 days. The amount is transferred directly to the beneficiary's bank account. 5. The RBI will soon launch field trials for 10 rupees and 20 rupees polymer, plastic banknotes. Approval has been granted to print 2 billion polymer notes. These notes will be more durable and have a longer lifespan compared to paper notes. Polymer notes are already in use in approximately 60 countries worldwide. 6. According to a new report by market research firm Tracen, Bengaluru has emerged as the largest hub for the country's space tech ecosystem. Bengaluru-based companies alone have secured 57%, approximately 4,795 crore rupees, of the country's total space tech funding. In 2025, India's space tech sector received record funding of around 1,915 crore rupees. 7. Word of the day: Blue Straggler. Blue stragglers are stars that appear younger, hotter, and brighter than their age would suggest. According to scientists, these stars either draw material from another star or become luminous again through the merger of two stars. They can be described as stars that look far younger than their actual age. Recently, Indian scientists discovered, for the first time, a blue straggler star paired with an extremely small brown dwarf companion. This discovery will help in better understanding star formation and evolution.